I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony. Like a love song.
Hi guys, ayan. So, kinulayan na natin. Adding some details. Ayan, kita nyo. Ako yan. So, yan na po ang final product. Final view ng ating sculpture. So, yan. Nakikita nyo ang step by step naming paggawa. So, yan. May konting photoshoot. Hope you like it guys. Thank you.